The ingredients that we need are chicken, sour cream, butter, mushroom, onion, salt, red chili powder, peppercorn, garlic and a nutmeg. Now we heat some oil in a pan and add half teaspoon of butter. Now add the chicken pieces. Sprinkle some salt and fry them. And now transfer it in a bowl. Add the chopped onion, and saute. Crushed garlic, the mushrooms and saute them. Now add the fried chicken pieces and mix together. Crushed black pepper, red chili powder, grated nutmeg, now add the sour cream and mix. Add milk and salt to taste. And the chicken stroganoff is ready to be served.